Hold on. Mm-hmm. Delicious. What's up, Katami crew? It's your boy Katami Poppy back again with another mukbang, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm back at it once again, and forgive me if you guys are tired of me eating fried chicken, because that is what we got. That's what we got here today. I'm so excited I can't even talk. Let me go ahead and let y'all guys know. I got me three styles of keto fried chicken. That's right, keto fried chicken. Once again, I'm gonna go ahead and just be that guy. If you guys love fried chicken, come on, smash that like button. If this is your first time viewing this channel, I really appreciate that you guys are spending your time watching me, an unknown face in the mukbang community. My name is Katami Poppy. Once again, I specialize in making delicious keto variants of your favorite foods that you love to eat. The only thing that I know that you don't love is gaining that fat on the body. So if you can follow my recipes here that I got here, you guys will have a much better keto journey. I can guarantee you that. Today's recipe is going to be in the description below, so make sure you take a look at that. That's a free recipe that I'm going to make it much easier for you guys to access. If you guys want a more detailed, in-depth recipe with instructions, I'm going to be working on putting that on my blog at www.katamipoppy.com. Make sure you look out for that. If you like these types of videos where I get down with smacking, burping, getting my hands dirty, then go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't ever miss another Katami Poppy mukbang, because it goes down here, guys. Katami Poppy is not going down. If you don't like calling me Katami Poppy, you can call Keto Me Poppy, however you like it. I am cool with it, all right? So let me go ahead and, get y'all more closer into what I'm going to be feasting in. So first, what we got here is some honey garlic, keto fried chicken. Okay, this one right here is one of my favorites. I go and get this sometimes when I was, when I was breaking keto. I will always go to this place called BBQ Chicken, and that place doesn't have anything to do with barbecue chicken. It's just called BB.Q Chicken. Google it. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere around you. They're really popular in Korea. So a lot of you guys who heard me say BBQ chicken, you already know what it is. So if you don't know what it is, and you probably gonna break keto, or you're not even on keto, you're low carb, and you just want to have fun with some family, BBQ chicken has this flavor. I remade it in keto style. Yes, keto style. I remade that. I got me some buffalo crispy fried chicken right here. The buffalo crispy fried chicken. I got a big old drum and a wing here. That thing was extremely interesting to create, I must say. I got me some original crispy keto fried chicken right here. Guys, this is a crispy fest. This is probably one of my most mouth-watering videos I've done since launching Katami Poppy. I also have some some keto fried jalapeno poppers. One of them is bacon wrapped. I know this sounds a little outrageous, but I haven't ate in 24 hours. I am extremely hungry. I got Fresca in the background. Y'all see that. I got some Buffalo Ranch. I'm going to dip that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get you guys even closer to what I'm about to get into. All right. So I don't know what I want to dive into first. I'm going to be honest with you. Let me see if I can, man, let me go ahead and get the drum out the way. Let's see if I can get that out the way. Let's see. This was my thumbnail for last time, okay? So let me see if I can get a good old shot of something here. Again. Here we go. Let's get it in, y'all. Buffalo. Let's get it. Mm. 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 Let me dunk that. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Mm. 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 This drum is huge. I ain't gonna front. It's probably gonna fill your boy up. So I might set this down and get into the other ones. But let me try my best to knock this one down. This is a lot right here. Mm. 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 I still don't know how I was able to do this, but it's been done. Mm-hmm. Jalapeno ranch is popping as always. Favorite buffalo sauce mixed in with my homemade ranch, to die for. Ah. Mm. Mm. Smash that like button if you like fried chicken. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Drop the napkin. Like, I be watching local news sometimes, and there was some crazy stuff that happened today. There's a active, it was like a high speed chase that kind of like ended up in like shooting. It's pretty crazy. Excuse me. I'm gonna see if I can put a clip inside the video. I don't even know why I did that. I don't even know where the video is gonna be, but I'm gonna see if I can insert a clip of what happened. Happened in Third Ward, Houston. The area. Mm. Mm. Homie was tripping. He was having a bad day, I think. Stole a couple vehicles. Went out guns blazing. Mm. He was tripping for real, man. Three officers got shot. That's why I was seeing it on the headlines, for a very long time, because dude shot 3 guys. I don't know if he survived it, but dude's a Hispanic guy. If he's from Houston, there's no way he didn't you didn't catch that news. You know what I'm saying? Because they were on it for a minute. Mm. It's just crazy because, you go about your day as if it's like, you're granted to come back home and stuff. You really never know what somebody's going through. What's their mindset? You never really know if it could be you. You know what I'm saying? That might get, in the mix of somebody doing something wrong, I always tell, a lot of people that I care about that when you step outside your house, you're already taking a risk of not coming back home. It might be a very small risk, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not saying to live your life paranoid and stuff, you know. How should I say it? Just have better life IQ. Be more aware of people's body language. You gotta know how to. You gotta know how to read body language. You know what I'm saying? That's the best way I can put it. Or you're gonna get caught up in some mess. You know what I'm saying? Protect yourselves when you're out there in the midst of people. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get inside this honey garlic fried chicken right here, keto fried chicken. See if I can get a close up on this. Hold on. See if I can get a good thumbnail with this one. Let's see. Mmm. Mmm. This is the one that I was waiting for the most. I tried to save the best for last. This one is like definitely the one I've been wanting the most. Mm. Mm. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna put the link to this recipe. It ain't even a link, but I'm gonna put it in the description below so y'all can go ahead and make this yourself. Mm. Mm-hmm. See how this would taste with some buffalo ranch. Mm. Low-key add some ginger to the. Anybody who loves ginger, you know that's very strong. Mm-hmm. Mm. What do y'all think? Am I gonna finish all my food today? Mm. I've been trying to do that for a minute. Those who just subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you guys. You know, starting off YouTube is pretty crazy, I must say, and you know, I'm very thankful that that you're able to follow somebody that you absolutely don't know anything about, and you know, give me a chance, to be a source of entertainment for you. You know what I'm saying? This mukbang is actually becoming a little messier than I thought. So, bear with me if I have something on my cheeks. My gosh. Oh man. Let me take a bite. Mm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna insert some clips on how crispy this thing is. I want y'all to get a good close up on that. This was just absolutely fantastic. I'm really proud of myself here. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. The boy is slowly knocking in on some Ozark. I know you guys get tired of it, but it's Ozark season, baby. Mm. Mm-hmm. It really is. You know what I'm saying? And your boy is still waiting on Squid Game. You know what I'm saying? Look, Squid Game had me on the edge of my seat. I don't remember the last time I've ever been on the edge like that. Shout out to y'all boys over there at Squid Game. I mess with y'all. Fantastic show. Okay, let's go ahead and say this. If you are watching Squid Game, getting ready to watch it in the future, go ahead and skip the next 30 seconds. Spoiler alert, okay? Alright, I think I gave you enough time. So, what do you guys think happened to the FBI, the police agent? That was such a horrible term. The policeman that was looking for his brother. I think, yes, he was shot by his brother. Yeah, I think he survived that. I think he did, because they didn't show him, you know, they didn't show him die off and everything. Excuse me. I'm digging into this jalapeno popper right here. Y'all see that? Y'all see how crispy that thing is? You would have thought it was a piece of chicken. Mm-hmm. Ooh, hold on. Mm-hmm. Delicious. Do y'all like jalapeno poppers? Well, I know I do. Probably one of my favorites. And I just have to get a little bite of that before I take my L for the day. I had a feeling I wasn't going to be able to finish this, okay? And once again, I take another L. It's okay. Katami crew, your boy is going to finish all his food one of these days on camera. Bear with your boy. Hope you guys are still exercising, fasting, and making sure that you stay on a ketogenic diet. Watch your portions. It's very important. Stay consistent. And you guys are going to be very successful in losing some weight and getting in better shape. As always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell for more Katami Poppy videos. And if you like the recipes that I'm also dropping now, go ahead and like and share with somebody that can enjoy some, you know, exactly what I ate today. I really appreciate you guys for following me all the way through to the end. If you're here with me at the end of this video, as always, if you eat good, you're gonna look good. It's your boy Katami Poppy signing out. Until next time, peace.